One, two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday.
Vic, we wish you more birthdays to come and more blessing to your family and also to all of us. Happy birthday!
Ninong Vic, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po lagi kayong malakas at makatulong pa sa marami at maging ninong pa sa lahat ng mga ikakasal.
Uncle Vic, Ninang Vic, happy birthday. I'm wishing you more blessings to come in your future endeavors. I'm wishing you continuous good health and for you to stay looking young and always looking happily in love. Again po, happy birthday. We love you very much.
Happy birthday!
This is our baby, Nadine Adriana, wishing you a happy birthday as well.
Kumakanta ho siya.
Birthday song in her own version. Again, happy birthday! We love you!
We wish you good luck!